Under the sea, where the coral glowed, lived a little fish named Coral. Coral loved her home, but sometimes she wondered what was beyond, what was up there. It was like nothing she'd ever seen. Smooth, shiny stones and hollow, swirling caves. Look, Coral! This is a sea turtle! They can swim very fast! And this little friend is a playful dolphin! Sometimes, even in the ocean, we can make our own special friends! Like this little clay starfish. Coral swam back to her own reef, her heart full of new adventures and new friends, both real and imagined.